Catherine Fulvio, atá na chéistin. Catherine, chun tantas ein scéal.
Oh, Tommy,
On the Vahar Fad. What are we making today?
we're making a pork larb.
What's
It's one of
a
those.
larb?
It's a beautiful dish from Laos, and it's healthy, right? Packed with veggies, and it's a kind of a rage or fridge kind of recipe.
Love it, love it.
And pork, we don't get to use it often enough, I think.
And I like it.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
It's lovely.
Love
it's
it.
kind of a nice sweet meat, isn't it? So, Dahi, first thing you're going to do is you get your pan on, right? And get that nice and hot. So I have my minced pork here. And then, as I said, it's rage or fridge. I have, like, onions, I've red cabbage, I've carrot, it's whatever
Whatever's
you have
inside there.
Like if there's aubergines, whatever's there, that's what I put
Fire
in
it
anyway.
in.
Like last minute, heading out today, I grabbed this from Ballynock and look,
Bit of kale.
straight from the
Lovely.
garden. So that can go in.
So good for us.
Oh,
Yeah,
very good.
for us.
Very, very good. So now, first thing we need to do, Dahi, is get a bit of frying on. So we need to get this going. So heat up our pan.
And a wok is good for this one.
A wok or a frying pan. I think I have in the recipe either or.
Perfect.
Yeah, and you give it a nice heat up. And then we have our meat here. So I've got half recipe because I've done another half for you as
Perfect,
well.
yeah,
Just in case people are thinking, wasn't a lot in that, I'll double it when I get home.
Yeah.
I just want to be sure that people know that
And you get
it's...
pork mince anywhere.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. My local butcher.
Yeah, but
Very good for it, yeah.
Mince it up, yeah. Here, see.
So, break up your pork there and just let that cook down.
And just with the pork, Catherine, is that a lean pork you have there? It looks lean.
Yes. I did. I went for lean, and then I put the oil in the pan instead, which is probably defeating the purpose. But considering I said it was healthy, I kind of backtracked on that. So the trick is just to not overcrowd your pan when you're cooking the pork, and then brown it, because it's not going into a jacuzzi here. We don't want to swim in its own juices.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
So that's why I've got the heat so high on it, and I'm not turning it down. And keep an eye on that one for you as well.
Yeah.
And then at the same time, then, Dahi, we have onion sliced, we have red cabbage done, and all I need to do is grate a bit of carrot. This is my toy here.
This is it.
Got a little drawer.
Oh, look at that.
Damn.
Where did you get that?
Oh, listen.
Where'd you get that now?
Oh, a certain Swedish shop.
Oh, yeah.
Say nothing.
Oh, I think we all know that one. But it's handy, though.
It's dead handy.
I've never seen one of them before.
And you see, there's another side of it then for Parmesan. You just turn the drawer around to get the other side.
You're all tricks, Catherine.
Oh, and I love the little gadgets now,
I like
Dahi.
it as well, no.
Do you know, anything that makes my life easy, I'm not going to be...
Yeah. But do you have a press full of gadgets?
Stop. And the plastic containers. I'm one
I
of those,
know.
you know, when you open, they all fall
I
out.
know. Yeah.
Oh, no.
And trying to find a cap for my bottle,
Yeah.
my sports bottle, because everything's thrown in together. You can't find anything inside any press in the house.
We all have the same problems.
Yeah.
So now, I just give that a little stir now, Dahi.
Yeah.
It's browning nicely.
Good stuff. We like that.
Yeah. So in the recipe, I've said to brown it and then remove it from the pan.
Yeah.
But as always, we're under a bit of time constraint here. So we're just going to brown it and we're just going to build everything up in the pan. And that proves to people at home as well, you can do it either way. Make your life easy, whatever works for you. Yeah, and to keep an eye on the one I made for you, Dahi, because if I burn your dinner now, I'll be in trouble.
No,
right?
When I heard you were coming in, I pulled back from lunch and everything, Catherine.
No, the pressure.
No pressure at all, no. Yeah.
Well, I hope you like it now. Right, so we've got that. So I'm happy enough now. This is beginning to colour nicely, Dahi.
Yeah.
I'm going to go along and keep going with the recipe. At home, I'd leave it a little bit longer, get it a little darker, because I love the caramelisation on meat.
Yeah, I love it as well.
And if you can really get it nice and brown, you've got a natural sweetness.
Yeah, you do.
And this dish has that kind of salty, sharp finish on it, so we want the sweetness as we go along.
Well.
So we just pop our onions in there.
Yeah, lovely.
And we'll go with our red cabbage.
Yeah, lovely colours.
Yeah. So you can see how healthy this is. Oh, we have our own carrot here. We might as well use the fresh one that we grated. There we go. All right, so that's all done.
Good stuff.
And then there's still aromatics to add into this. So whilst I give that a little stir, the next thing I'm going to do is just prepare a little bit of lemongrass.
And is that the Southeast Asian kind of flavour to the dish as well?
It's all, there's kind of similar flavours coming through. Ginger, lemongrass.
Perfect, yes, great.
Chilli, and then fish sauce, all of those kind of typical flavours.
Yeah.
Now,
get rid of the real woody bit.
Yeah, I like to just chop this very finely.
Yeah.
Right, like that. Just get it nice and skinny, because that way then I find it melds nicely into the dish.
Yeah.
I love lemongrass.
Yes, nice. Because you can put in the whole stick kind of crushed up as well, but you're taking it out after a while.
You can bash it with the handle of the spoon.
Yeah.
And it's good that way. Now, so in that goes, Dahi. So we're happy with that now.
Lovely. And that'll melt way down.
That will.
All the lovely flavours as well.
And then we have here, we have here our ginger. So just want to trim the ginger and then use your teaspoon and just pull down just to peel the ginger. So we'll just do it over the little bowl here. This is just a handy way of peeling.
Yeah.
So,
and again, Catherine, we need all these this time of year, all the lovely ginger and everything for health.
And all of these freeze brilliantly, Dahi.
Yeah.
So you could have these like ready to go. We'll just turn the drawer.
And turn that around.
There we go.
There's your gadget.
My gadget.
Yeah.
So we get this in. And then it's just chilli.
Yeah.
Are you okay with chilli, Danny?
Oh,
How much will I put in?
Love it. And Sinead loves it as well, so pile it in, she said.
Okay, grand. There's our ginger in.
Yeah. I love all those lovely hot flavours this time of year.
Yeah. Right. Now, we're here. I've got a bit of chilli prepared already.
Lovely. Pips in or out?
I took the seeds out because I wasn't sure what you liked.
Yeah.
But I'd say you're probably okay with these
we
in,
like it either way.
Yeah.
No, this is the fish sauce. That's what I've been smelling now for the last while. That can be fairly strong.
Yes, it is. It packs a punch, Donny.
Yeah.
So it's fermented anchovies.
Yeah.
And it really does bring a lovely flavour to a dish now, I have to say.
But I think you have to be careful with it putting it in, Catherine, because if you put in too much, it can kind of take over.
Absolutely. Yeah, it can. And what I have to finish here is some coriander and fresh mint. Now, they're soft herbs, so you put them in later. Like, you don't want them going for a sauna in here.
Yeah.
So you want to kind of let it just blend in nicely. So I'll move to the one that I've already cooked out here, Dahi.
So if you're making this at home, Catherine, you're talking about another 5 or 6 minutes.
I think so, yeah.
Cooking away.
Yeah, so then we're going to go with our fish sauce in on this one because I think it needs it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And be careful with
Give
that, as you
a stir. All right. And then our fresh herbs just go in, so we can just tear them and put them in on top.
Some coriander.
Yeah, and I've got some fresh mint.
Love the mint as well.
Yeah, the mint is lovely with this.
Really nice, yeah.
Right.
You have your own mint at home?
Oh, I do. This is actually from the garden.
Yeah.
It's lovely, lovely, potent. It smells much stronger if you can grow it at home.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
But I grew it before and I found it kind of takes over a bit.
Yeah, I have a trick for that.
Yeah.
If you get a pot, a big one, cut the bottom off it, put it in the ground, fill it with soil, put the mint inside it. The roots don't spread beyond the pot, but it's still in the ground, so you don't have to think about watering
You can really get it there now, the mint.
Now, Dahi, right, I'm going to turn these off just in case I end up... Now, dipping sauce, very briefly.
Lovely, like
we
this.
have a dipping sauce. I've made one, but let me just show you what's involved.
Dipping
have
sauce.
here your scallions, you have more ginger, garlic, you have chilli, and then you have... This is my favourite. You've got a little bit of the fish sauce. That's what you're getting the smell of. It's very close to you there.
That's wonderful.
Then, and a little bit of soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
And then you need a little bit of lemon juice. So you've got that sweet, sour thing going on.
Yeah, love that as well.
And a bit of brown sugar. Just a small bit.
I'm just wondering, do you eat this? Do you have this with rice or what do you have it with?
I have
rice is there.
jasmine rice for you now.
Yeah.
So we'll serve that up.
I don't know why I thought these would go into wraps as well, Catherine.
Oh, yeah, be gorgeous in wraps. Yeah, it's a very, very versatile little dish. So you have that, you have another version of it there. Let's clear off here and give you a bit of space.
Good stuff.
Okay, now we're ready to serve.
Ready to rock and roll.
We have a plate here.
We've got two there, if that's any good.
Yeah, and then what you do is you get your lettuce out. So this is your baby gem lettuce. You can, like you say, you can use wraps, whatever you want. And then you've got your rice here, the jasmine rice. The jasmine rice is the sticky rice. So this is just, I cooked this just before we went live. It's just cooled down a little bit for you, so it's not going to burn anybody now. So you've got your carbs in here as well. You've got your meat. It's a great way of stretching the meat, but isn't it a brilliant way of getting more veggies into your diet?
Yes.
Because there's so much hidden in there.
And into the smallies, you know, any unusual way of eating something is going to interest them as well, isn't it, really?
Exactly. And they can put this together themselves.
Of course, That's the time they started working.
He's not even joking.
Oh, no.
No.
But age year or two now?
4 and 2.
I'll be getting a move on there with that now.
You'll be getting them jobs. No pocket money, just jobs.
Oh, at the time you feeding them.
I know.
Get them a house.
We were learning about money from you earlier, so this is I need to take away these top tips.
And for you fell at home watching this, oh my God, my dad's going to throw us out.
No, you've been working flat out.
He's working all right. He works out in the yard with me. Yeah, he's good. He's a good worker. We've been cleaning out the attic there at Christmas. I tell you one thing, I got a great half day's work out of him.
Do you mean like going through the...
I was upstairs handing it down. He was bringing it out to the van, like.
Oh, very good.
Fair play to him.
Fair
I knocked
play.
a good half day out of him. He was wrecked after it.
I've no doubt he was.
Sure, listen.
He just got the satisfaction was his thanks. the
Do you know what?
satisfaction of a job well done.
He said, Dad, you can't pay me for this. I'm just so,
No, he did not.
I'm just so happy, Dad. I wouldn't take any money off you for this.
Stop it, you know. I hope
Catherine, thank you.
Nice.
Look at this.
Delicious pork lard.
How do we eat
with
this
your
now?
dipping sauce. So just pick up one of
Messily.
those there.
Okay.
I feel.
And there's a little spoon, just a spoon. You want to, here, you'll need a bit of a
Thanks
place.
a million.
Put a little bit of the dipping sauce over it, because that's going to give you the flavour.
Okay.
Thank you. It's not a Valentine's Day first date food anyway.
No. It's full of flavour, isn't it?
Oh my God, they're lovely.
Yeah. And you wouldn't think there's so much veg in it.
No, lovely.
You know, the proportion
Catherine,
of meat.
what are you making next for us?
Oh, I'm going to do a lovely Italian dish, spaghetti with a lovely tomato olive sauce.
Lovely. RT.ie/food. The QR code is on screen there now.